guys. So I got the camera today. I just wanted to show you guys, we're so excited about our new home and getting started on it. We've been kind of cleaning it like Wayne said. We've been cleaning it up a bit, but we're still trying to make it feel like home. We've been in it for a couple of days and it's slowly starting to feel like it. Once we've kind of transitioned some of our, for me it was like the rugs came in and the bedding came in and it's starting to feel like ours. We've got a long ways to go. It's just going to be time that kind of gets us settled in here. But just a little quick update. One of the things I was really excited about with this camper, we had talked about, like, you know, what we would love to have in a camper, and so the fact that this came available and it met so many of our criteria was really really amazing, and really grateful that it happened. But one of the things I love, I'm going to show you guys, is the bed. It's a huge bed, which is fine. I mean, we got along fine with the smaller one, but there's a walkthrough, so in the mornings I don't have to like kick him in the head as I'm trying to get past. It was always, you know, a great way to start the day. So yeah, we're just trying. I'm like, I don't know if anybody on this channel, they're creative. I'm trying to get fancy, guys. I'm upcycling some vases, trying to get some neutral colors, the browns and these burgundies. I don't know. I'm trying to do everything I can before having to like just paint the walls. It's gonna be a big challenge if that's what we end up doing. But anyways, yeah, so this camper is amazing. Anyways, I want to go back to the bedroom. We have tons of storage. The only thing for me is I don't hang things, and so I'm not going to open up those because it's a mess. I'm hiding everything and everything I can possibly hide it in, but these have bars in them, and so I don't hang things. I roll things. I do that rolling technique. Anyways, so it's a lot of storage. There's at least twice as much storage here, up above in here, but it's just oh, I'm going to turn the air conditioner off. This might mess up the audio. This is my first time unsupervised recording. Anyway, so I'm gonna have to get some shelves, you know, just some shelves to, you know, to stack things, because it's huge up there, but it's useless space. I'm not using it right, so I got to get some shelves, and that's for everything. Pretty much everything needs, everything has, you know, a lot of like potential up top. So yeah, but it's great. And then another really cool, you know, thing that we've got like on-demand hot water. Again, I lived in the van for a couple of years traveling, so the camper was already an upgrade when I moved in with Wayne, but hot water on demand, oh my goodness, I forgot how amazing. So anyways, but here's just as of today, you know, what we've kind of done. We're still learning it. Still trying to come up with the color scheme. If you guys have any ideas, I love greens and he loves blue, so trying to get that eventually incorporated. The little back room, this little bonus room is amazing. I sit in here all the time now, just really comfortable. I put a cover over it. I actually had this that I kind of like stitched together in my van on my mattress, so I covered up the cushions, so it's not going to be permanent, but I'm going to change this one and then I'm going to match it with the other piece here. So I still got to get a laundry solution, guys. If anybody out here, if you guys have any suggestions, I was thinking even if this corner was laundry, I'm thinking about maybe putting it underneath here, some kind of laundry setup. But yep, so that's where we're at. It's a great room though, and all in here, like Wayne said, we've got all of our laundry detergent. Oh my goodness, this could be embarrassing. Okay, towels, whatnot. It's really a lot of miscellaneous for me, like some arts, crafts, laundry, whatnot, paint. So we're trying. Hi. Sneaking this in before he gets off of work. I'm finally off today. And then we got to do something with this. Anybody in an RV camper we are having a little bit of problem with this shower. So it works great. Nothing's broken on it, but it's leaking. And so when we're showering, it's like dripping past, down, and around. Nothing major. We just usually leave a little towel after we've showered. But if anybody has any suggestions what to do to kind of stop the leak, because we don't want it to become a problem. These little things are just for the, you know, just to wrap the curtain in. And so it keeps it in place. But anyways, I'm going to try to flip you guys back to me. Hey there. So yeah, so suggestions, anybody please, we'd love to hear it. And I think that's it. We're super excited, super excited. The previous owners left this. Oh, tell Wayne to play me, please. I'm competitive in that method, and I want to beat him. So encourage him to play this game with me. Okay, oh, he's coming home. All right, bye guys.